Thomas loves to find adventures. And sometimes the adventures find Thomas. Whoa, what was that? I'd better go investigate. Whoa, that came from space. I wonder if it's aliens. Ah, that sounds like a scary alien. Gordon, something fell from the sky. I think it's a scary alien monster.
Don't be silly, Thomas.
It's true. Come see for yourself.
Okay, I will.
Just here.
That could be anything. Okay, that sounds like an alien. I'm getting out of here.
I'm going to need some brave help.
So that's when I saved the world single-handedly. Again. Oh, hello, Thomas.
I need help. I think a scary alien monster fell from the sky.
A scary alien monster? You came to the right person.
You know, the Funlings are aliens. Maybe it's one of them.
Well, it doesn't look like a funling. Come on, I'll show you. Here.
Sounds like an alien. We should be careful.
Something moved in the trees.
We don't mean you any harm, alien.
Nobody's called me an alien for a while, but I guess you're right, Thomas.
Explore a funling?
But how are you making the noises and the green glow?
Well, I had just stepped outside of my cabin when I saw a meteor fall from the sky. I walked over and noticed it had some gems inside, which I could take. So I played some monster noises out of my phone to stop the pirate funlings or anybody else taking the gems. Then, to check that I had every gem, I used my torch. But I don't know how to change the colour of it. That's why it's green. I got lots of gems out of the meteor. But then I heard a loud jet, so fearing the worst, I quickly hid behind the trees. Sorry for scaring you. I just wanted to make sure nobody took the gems.
That's okay. I'm just glad we didn't have to deal with a scary monster alien.